Morning students, welcome to BBVN online classes. Due to unavoidable circumstances and the second wave of this COVID-19, we had to come on this online platform. We hope that very soon things will be normal and we'll be back on the offline program. Till then, we'll move ahead with this online classes. So in grade 9, I have started chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. It is one of the lengthiest chapters in the syllabus of grade 9. So I hope we can utilize this time in completing the syllabus. We'll try to cover as much as we can. So coming to this surface areas and volumes. You must have definitely studied in the previous classes cube. It is a solid with 6 faces. Each face is in the shape of a square. Its length will be x units, width is also x units, and its height is also x units. It is a solid. So if I open this solid, I have 6 faces. Understood? So when we talk about surface area of this cube, we have 2 distinct surface areas, as we say. One of them is lateral surface area. The room, say for example, the room in which you are staying is in the shape of a cube. So if you see the 4 walls, the areas of each face, each wall, it represents the lateral surface area, right? So 4 walls, area of 4 walls. It's simple, it's square. So area of one of the faces is x square, x into x, x square. Since you have 4, it will be 4x square unit square. And when we talk about total surface area, it is simple, lateral surface area plus the floor as well as the roof. All 6 faces square shaped. So it is 6x square unit square. Got it? Now let's talk about volume. Volume of a solid is nothing but the quantity that it can hold. The amount, the quantity. Say for instance, if I want to fill liquid in this cube, the amount of liquid that can be filled represents the volume of this cube. So volume is x into x into x, that is x cube unit cube. Now let's come to the cuboid. In cuboid we have length L, width B, and height h. It also has 6 faces, but the room in which you are staying, imagine it as a cuboid. So you will see the walls which face each other are identical. Okay, so you have 3 pairs of identical rectangles, or you can say identical squares in some cases. Otherwise they have 3 pairs of identical rectangles. Now if I talk about lateral surface area of this cuboid, lateral surface area, suppose this face that is facing me, it is L into H. The opposite will also be L into H. This face is B into H. Opposite face is also B into H. So area of 4 walls is 2 times L into H plus 2 times B into H. So this becomes 2H times L plus B. This is the lateral surface area of a cuboid, area of 4 walls. Now when we talk about total surface area, so now it includes the floor as well as the roof. Floor and roof are identical. So if you see the floor, its area is L into B. The area of roof will also be L into B. So now we have 2 times LH plus 2 times BH plus 2 times LB. 3 pairs of rectangles, identical rectangles. So 2 taken common, LB plus BH plus LH. This is the formula for the total surface area of a cuboid. Now let's talk about the volume of this cuboid. Volume is L into B into H. The units for surface areas will be square units, and for volume it will be cubic units. Okay, so we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.